Thank you for your interest in becoming a tutor with us. The first thing you'll need is a Level 4 massage qualification, which you may have obtained via an MTI school or some other organisation. Potential tutors come to us via various routes. You may have trained with an MTI school and be currently working with them as an assistant and now want to become a tutor in order to teach for that school. Or you may have trained at an MTI school and are now wanting to set up your own school. Or you may have trained with another organisation and are wanting to set up a school accredited by MTI. MTI doesn't employ any tutors directly. You need to be either employed by a current Massage Training Institute school or set up your own school. Nor do we accredit CPD courses or accredit tutors to teach CPD. The accreditation process is completely for professional courses, both diploma and certificate. The process of becoming a tutor is in 5 stages. Much of this information is available on the website. If there's anything else you need to know, please do get in contact with me via the new tutor office. And I really look forward to seeing you soon.